Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to try to make this fairly quick. This is going to be my weekly melt basket. I pulled a lot of things as usual. When do I not? Like, I try to tell myself, oh, like I start pulling all the things and it's a mess. Okay, so let's just get right into this. I'm trying to get through my bigger bags of things, which means you will probably see a lot of repeats. And that's just because I'm just like continuously trying to get through the bags of things. Okay, that scared me. The cat is still in that box. I need to throw that box away. Okay. So I wanted to try some Satin Susie. This is from my most recent order, but I think I got it from a ready to ship area, which was poured on 3/6. So I figured this has had a little bit of time to cure. I'm not going to judge it too harshly because I still feel like it's kind of early in the game for that one, but clamshells, I pulled some Sea of Tears from Bathing Garden. That's about a year old, so it's time for Bathing Garden. Clowning Around, I had in my fall basket. I went through my fall basket and I'm like, oh, I didn't make it through my fall basket at all. Ringmaster's Paramore, which is great for summer. Cinderella Would Be Jealous. Somehow I ended up with like 5 of these. I don't know. Let's do this and put this one here. This I pulled out of my fall basket. This is Fairy Bonfire, which this one probably could still like be held on until next fall. I don't worry about those, the Bathing Garden too much. Big Top Lemonade. You guys know I love this scent. I've had a few of those. Poppets Coaster Ride, which I feel like I had before and I wasn't in love with it, but I'm going to try to warm this one. Strawberry Peach Jam, Tart Lemon Curd, Raspberry Cake Bites. I kind of gave up on it. I think it's okay. It's like I'm starting to fall out of love with like really tart lemon. I just feel like I have so much of it that it's like every time I smell it, I want to kind of gag. Again, with the Keep Your Temper, which is a lemongrass lemon curd scent. So there we go again with that. Cheshire Cat, which is lemon meringue and raspberry, topped with vanilla and raspberry icing. So this one's actually pretty good. I do like Cheshire Cat because of that raspberry scent in there that she does so well that I really like. And then, oh, I have a little bit of the Olive Lemon Grove. Somewhere I found a dupe of this. I can't remember where it was, but someone makes this exact same blend. Where did I find this? I can't remember. But if she does make another clam of this, I probably would get it because I do really, really like that scent. That's why I saved 2. Also, I pulled Cemetery Keys, which I've had for a bit. Probably from last Halloween. I don't think I ordered this Halloween though, so it's probably from a year ago. Not this last Halloween, but the Halloween before. This is a good manly scent, I think. I think that would be good for the bedroom. And then I grabbed a sample of Pink Fizz. I never warm through my samples, so I'm trying to do that a little bit more. From Bathing Garden, I have Blackberry Mocha Cookies, Plum Pomegranate and Vanilla Lace, Caramel Cherry Coke Float. I need to see when these were made or when I ordered them because I'm not really sure. I don't know if they're ready yet, but I want to kind of try them. So I also have, oh, Caramel Sandalwood Tobacco. See, I have Banshee Dreams or Banshee Dreams. I don't know how to say that. This, I can't remember what the scent note is. I need to write it down when I melt it on the back. I pull all this stuff out because I have some more clamshells. So I'm going to do Cujo, which you guys know I love this scent. This is Warm Vanilla Sugar, Brown Sugar Figs, and Blackberry Jam. I've been finding some fig scents from other vendors, so I'm super excited. Figured I'd go ahead and try some Senna. Oops. Oh boy. I just recently got a very good cookie. Also, I have a lot of like half empties, so I went ahead and just grabbed these. I have Blair Witch, which this one is more of like a, I feel like this one is going to go back in the bedroom. I feel like I don't love this one, but I don't hate it either. I have, for some reason, I have two Punishers, so I'm going to go ahead and use one. It's almond with tobacco leaf, which I really like tobacco leaf. Abominable. I think I've had this in like 3 melt baskets and it's never gotten warm, so I'm going for it. Clueless, I just have 2 cubes left. I was trying to grab things that were kind of just like almost empty. I really want to melt Henry. I really want to see how I like wild berry smoothie. This one has been talked about a lot and I've been wanting to warm it for a while. I figured it was appropriate to grab my Game of Tarts, so I went ahead and grabbed White Walkers and Nutcracker, which I only have 2 cubes in there, so I wanted to try to finish that up. And then I have 1 cube of Get Out of the Water, which is one of my favorite Jaws blends, so hopefully I can get some more of that later. I think that's like my last little bit. I have 1 little cube of Trumpkin, so again, I can get through that really quickly. And then I have 1 Emmett, which I don't love this scent, so I'm going to have to figure out something to mix. Actually, I think this might go good back in the bedroom because my husband does like that scent. And when he's back there, I can put that one on. I just don't, I don't know, something, the strawberry and the pine. Like the strawberry is actually a really good strawberry in there, but. And then I also have Tyrion, which is Game of Tarts. I figured this was appropriate as well. I kind of wish I had all the Game of Tarts scents. I would warm them, I'd warm through them like on Game of Tarts. I mean, Game of Thrones night. Jeez. Okay, I have Complicated. This clamshell looks horrible. Pretty sure I got this in a D-stash, and I'm pretty sure I've had it for quite a while. I mean, I feel like this is old. Still smells good. It's a pretzel. Oh yeah, it's pretzels. It's kind of like it's really sweet. It's caramel coffee is layered under a blend of coconut, vanilla, chocolate, and crushed pretzels. Yeah, I think I got this in a D-stash, so I've had it for quite a while. All right, I had, oh yes, I grabbed this. I think this is somebody's blend. Somebody said somewhere that this was their blend. I think it was like a Susan. Dang it, and I can't remember which Susan it was, but Coffee House Creme de la Creme. This is a beautiful blend. I did not want to finish this one, so that's why I am currently hoarding it. It is cream, caramel, and brown sugar, and it smells really good. So, but I mean, I kind of want to finish the bag. I think I got this from a D-stash, actually. I don't know from who, but yeah. Alright, so you guys saw me talk about this in my warm reviews, but I'm going to try this one again. This time I'm going to try it with this. Tara Will Never Go Hungry Again, because that's one of the components in here. But as I said in my warm reviews, I'm really getting a really strong sugar milk scent, so I'm going to mix this Tara Will Never Go Hungry Again, which is wild berry mousse, marshmallow, zucchini bread, and then I also have a potion pack of zucchini bread that I just have a little bit left, and I bet you I can get through that using that. So I'm going to do that. I have a lot of Super Tarts samples. I have 2 chips. I have Miss Gilmore. I have the Grinch, which I don't love this scent, but we're going to try it again just to see if, you know, sometimes your nose changes and you don't know. I love Draco. I think I ordered a scent shot in the Wizard Wax restock. I have Pink Sugar Pie Crust, which I'm sure I've had for a while. Tea with the Queen of Hearts is from last year, so I should probably try to warm this guy. And then Forevermore was probably, last year as well. The other thing I might mix with that VCS loaf is Jackie O's Post, because it's pretty much birthday cake and zucchini bread, so that might work calming down that sugar milk scent that's bothering me. Okay, this, I don't know why, I don't know what I was thinking. I bought this huge bag. I don't know if you can see it. It is VCS Boogie Woogie Beagle Boy Roses Princess of Monaco Overpour. So I have a big old freaking bag. This bag is freaking huge. I don't know what was in this bag. I wonder, is it even polypropylene? I don't know. This is lemon blueberry meringue pie lemon curd marshmallows. So I don't know. It's about 8 ounces of it. It was originally a 29-ounce loaf, I think. So yeah, that's a big one. Also, this was in my last melts, but I never got to it. This is Surrey and Bed's Grandma's Pearls Overpour. This is marshmallow, lavender, vanilla, and cotton candy marshmallow, or coconut cream marshmallow. I don't know. This one's all right. It I could probably add some lavender to it because it's pretty. I don't know. It's pretty basic, I guess is the word. I don't mean to like sound mean saying basic, but it's like it's kind of got just like a blender type of feel to it. You know what I mean? Like it smells like it'd be really good blender. This you guys just saw. I'm going to try to work through this bag. This is the Tiffany's Violet Lace. This huge bag of that. I also have my super great gold basket that Ramona gifted me, which I'm super happy about. Although my second one is in my wax room or office, and I need to go pull it because this is obviously taking up more room. So this is Mr. Wolf from Wolf Wicks, and this one smells pretty strong and ready to go, so I'm just going to go for it. And then I grabbed Open Water, and with that, so I only had 1 cube left. This is in my warm reviews. So I'm going to go ahead and mix that with, I think I'm going to do some lemonade with that, and also clean cotton, and any clean cotton I have left over I'm going to mix with lemonade. I was going to mix the lemonade with something else, and I don't remember what it was. I had this great idea for lemonade, and now I cannot remember. I don't know. Anyways, okay, so that is it. That's pretty much my, see if I can get this to turn. I don't know, you can't really see it, but that's kind of my stuff, my melts for this week. So obviously I'm not going to get through all that. I pull and then I try to put stuff back, but I'm really trying to work through the bags. I wanted to do clamshells because they were a little bit easier, but probably what I will do is probably try to keep working through clamshells and smaller things and try to maybe pick like 2 or 3 bags to try to work through like pretty vigorously throughout the week. You know, melting them multiple times, that kind of thing, so that I can try to get through some of these bags of things, because I have a lot of bags, and anything that's not going to work for me that I don't like, I'll probably just put like in a destash pile and keep like an ongoing destash pile. So yeah, I wanted to throw in some new things like the Satin Susie and the Wolf Wicks to see how they do. They're still pretty new, so you know, I didn't want to pull like, you know, the main things that I purchased, so I try to keep it low on those things, and the things that I know that are like really cured are ready to go. So anyways, that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you see anything in here that you like or that you are melting or that you want to try or anything like that, any comments, let me know down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye guys.